starting to have tar issue. Listen to this engine. Let me start it up. Turn off the air. You can hear it briefly in a corner if I turn down the radio. You hear that knocking?
Fine.
Stand right here.
I hear it. It's a 4-cylinder. Turn it off.
It's not supposed to be knocking.
It's not knocking.
No, listen to it.
It's fine. Shut the...
No, listen.
It's fine. Look how smooth it's running.
It is not fine.
It is fine. Turn it off.
Yeah. Everything's all golden at Hyundai Motor Incorporation. It's not running good.
It is too. Stop it.
It's definitely a red knot.
Shut the hood.
I don't know what's wrong with this tar. Yeah. When it drops a rod, you'll think.
What, you've been working on it?
Well, I think it's dropping a rod.
That's okay. Stop it.
This car's not going to make it to the end of his trip. If this thing drops a rod, I'm going to be angry.